Hey, it's Brenda again with Clearwater Pro Wash, 614-425-9395. We are on Jerome Village, Ohio today, and washing a house. So we gently soft washed this house. We brushed the gutters with a gutter cleaner, got those all nice bright. Our one tech is detailing the back door here. We cleaned out the screen tracks rather. Soft wash all those gutters. Got those nice and clean. Tech's doing an awesome job getting it spick and span. So this is a light gray house with light gray trim. Some areas it's a white trim, and some areas has a little bit of blue in the gray paint. We detailed the front door. We even though the ceiling is not stained, we did put a cleaner on there, wipe that down so he didn't have any dirty drips. Clean the concrete porch. Clean the whole front. We don't use high pressure, we use soft washing. We use a little bit higher pressure on the gutters to try and remove the extra gunk, the extra organic stains. We clean the porch sidewalk. And again, detailed the door, side lights, and the driveway. So thanks for joining Clearwater Pro Wash. We hope you consider us for your next house washing, exterior cleaning needs, and we also do patio paver restoration. Thank you.